Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair while on lockdown, and I'm using only South African natural hair care products in this video. But before I show you how I style my hair and the South African products that I use, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'll start off by saying just because we're on lockdown doesn't mean you don't have to wash your hair. Keep your weekly routine, guys, please. Your hair's gonna thank you for it 21 days later. I started off my wash day routine by shampooing my hair. I did it off camera because this is a styling video. Shampooing and deep conditioning was done off camera, but I use a South African brand called Wori. I do have videos on this, please check it out. And I washed my hair with the sulfate-free ultra nourishing shampoo. This, as I said, I did do it off camera. After that, I went on to deep condition. The South African product that I use to deep condition my hair is from Vana Naturals. I also have a video using most of their products, I think, except the shampoo. So there is a wash day routine using Vana Naturals. You can see me use this as well. And this is the Vana Naturals Make Me Strong. This is their deep conditioning hibiscus mask with argan as well as black cumin oil. So I did this off camera as well. To start the styling process, I went in with the Perfect Hair. Again, I have an entire wash day routine using, I think, almost all of the Perfect Hair products, but this line is their Mango and Marula line, and I went in with the Luscious leave-in. It's a mango-infused styling butter, and in the video you can see me apply this. I apply this in sections always. What I did was the one section I did do it off camera just to kind of speed up the video a bit, but this I put in sections as always. It's during the lockdown period, so I'm not using styling products on my hair. So the last product I went in with is a moisturizer. It promises to moisturize your hair and soothe it. And I applied this in larger sections. You can see how much I used. This is from Afrotame. It's their Hydrating Hair Moisturizer, and it contains mango butter as well as hempseed oil. After applying this in my hair, I then just went on to plait my hair on one side or braid it. What I do, or what I'm doing during the lockdown, is depending on how I feel, I'll either just make 2 braids or I'll make 4 jumbo twists, and that's it. It's that simple for me. As I said, I'm not wearing my hair in a wash and go. I'm not using heavy styling products on my hair, but I'm making sure that my hair is moisturized. I hope you enjoyed this very quick styling video on what I'm doing with my hair during the lockdown. I'm keeping my weekly wash day routine. I'm making sure that my hair is clean, my hair is deep conditioned. I'm putting in a leave-in conditioner. I'm moisturizing my hair. I'm keeping my hair clean and healthy during the lockdown process. Drop your comments down below, guys. Let me know what you are doing during this time. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again. Take care.